Good morning again. In the continuation to the previous video, now we are going to discuss about the next two layer protocols. In that, first we are going to discuss about the transport layer protocols. The transport layer, which is responsible for making a end-to-end message transfer which is completely responsible for making connection between a client and a server. In TCP, the functions of the TCP are the functions of transport layers are error control and segmentation flow control. These are all the functions. And the protocols which are used are TCP, UDP. The TCP means it is a transmission control protocol, which is a connection oriented protocol. Mainly if we want any acknowledgement for our data for the data which is sent, then we want to use a TCP, because in connection oriented it is the connection will be reliable. So for each communication there will be an acknowledgement. So connection oriented is also called as it is a stateful protocol. Stateful protocol means for each and every transfer there will be an acknowledgement, and all the details all the requests and all the responses will be stored for future purposes. And in UDP it is called a user datagram protocol. It is a connectionless protocol because it is an unreliable protocol. In this protocol there can be any data losses. So the protocol is also called a stateless protocol because it doesn't record any requests and responses. So it doesn't provide any guarantee on delivering the messages without a loss. And then next application layer. In application layer is it is an interface layer. It is a user end layer. Here the protocols are HTTP, COAP, WebSocket, MQTT. Now let's get deep into this protocol. HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol. It is a foundation for a world wide web. HTTP, which includes the commands such as get, put, post, delete and head. It follows the request and response model, which means the request is sent from client side and the response will receive from server side. So it is also called as a client server representation. And the COAP is a constraint application protocol, which is used for mainly used for machine to machine applications. Web transfer protocol, this protocol is also used a request response model. It runs on the top of the UDP, and it uses the client server architecture. And in the WebSocket, it is a full duplex communication over a single packet, which means full duplex means we can communicate, we can send and receive at the same time. The sending and receiving can happen at the same time. So what it is called as full duplex communication, and this will be based on TCP because for each request and response there will be an acknowledgement. And MQT is a message query telemetry transport protocol. It is a lightweight messaging protocol. It uses client server architecture, which means the client the client will be the IoT device and server will be the MQT broker. Through this broker, the data are transferred from one IoT device to another or IoT device to cloud. And then XMPP is an extensible messaging and presence protocol. This protocol is mainly used to streaming the XML data between networks. And DDS, it is a data distribution service. It is a data which acts as a centric middleware for a machine to machine. So if a machine and a machine want to communicate, so then this DDS protocol will be used as a central middleware. Through this the machines will get communicated. And it also provides the quality of service control and also as well as the reliable configurable ports were all be provided by this DDS. And AMQP, Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, which is used for business messaging and supports both point-to-point and the publish-subscribe model, which means the publish-subscriber model means the customers or the clients who are all subscribed to particular model, only that subscribed persons will can able to receive the data. Sir. These are all the protocols which are all deals in IoT layers. Thank you.